Hey guys, welcome back to Don't Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out my time at Portia for the PC. Today running this on my Intel Core i7-3700U with the Intel HD 620 integrated graphics. We're running with 16GB of DDR4 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and boy, the settings I had to use to get this game even somewhat playable is kind of absurd. It's kind of crazy. I always said that the Sandrock was demanding, and this is as demanding, which seems kind of crazy to me. Look at this. Why is it running at 20 FPS?
This place sure has seen some wear and tear. What do you think?
Looks homey.
Such a demanding. Damn Unity games, man. They get ya. They'll get ya.
Here's the workshop hand. As much as I'd like.
Got it. Tomorrow.
Anyway.
I'll just let the conversation stop and then I'll talk. Let's get up from sleeping. But anyway, I'm using 800 by 450 on the lowest preset. I had to go down there because 960 by 540 was ridiculous. I couldn't play it at all at 960 by 540. It seems 800 by 450 is also another issue. I can't play it here either. It seems like it was letting me run just now because the textures and stuff didn't load in. But now they have. This isn't a great experience. This is definitely not a great experience. But look, as you can see, my GPU is completely pegged, even with the lowest settings on. And like I said, this is an Unreal Engine game. I mean, a Unity game. There's not much to tweak in a Unity game like this, so you're in trouble. Now, I will try to do tweaks for the Intel HD 4600. So if you guys are curious, I would recommend checking it out. But from what I can see, the game is playable. Listen, I look at it from the bright side. Obviously, you can run. This is a very, you know, a slow-paced game. You could sit down and play this at this type of performance and not care too much. Otherwise, I'm gonna need to drop this all the way down to 640 by 480 and play this. And even then, I still question how well it would play. There's too much foliage and stuff. That's the issue. There's too much. There's too much stuff. The game can't render all of this. My GPU is completely pegged right now. Completely. Even when there's wide vistas now, it's still too, just with nothing in them, still too much. The draw distance is too high. If I could do something about the draw distance, man, because it goes all the way out there. It shouldn't go all the way out there. But anyway, let me show you guys real quick. As you can see, only pain arrives. Honestly, it looks better and it didn't do anything. Did I actually save that? Yeah, that didn't do anything. The shadows are on low. Dude, there aren't even shadows and it's still too damn demanding. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Once again, this is one of those games where I normally would go into changing the specs for the 4600 and I'll just run it like this because I can't be bothered here on the 620. But stay tuned for the 4600 video if you guys are curious to know how to play this, and I'll show you guys. Maybe we can get something to run on a lower end system, or I'll probably just have to go to a lower res, which I think I'll do right now, to be honest. I don't know if this will still record, but I gotta go down, man. Let's try 640 by 480. Are you noticing that audio clipping issue? Because I am. I'm getting an audio clipping issue. It seems to run at 640 by 480. It seems to be saying yes, I can do this. We're getting over 40 FPS now, but the screen has gone in, so that's a thing. For all I know, I just stopped recording altogether. But 640 by 480 seems to be running well.
Nice to see you. How are you settling in? Great. Let me introduce you to the Commerce Guild. We're the organization that orchestrates trade. Now then, that you need to have wood, and after you have the raw.
I don't know. It seems to say it's running, so I guess I can live with this. Yeah, it still seems to be over 30, so going over 40 FPS right now. So 640. Well, I did figure it out, guys. If you want to play the game, 640 by 480 is your way to go. If you got a 620. Still not too sure how wide that's a thing, but how far apart is 800 by 450 and 640 by 480? That's not that too far. Why is the performance so much better? That doesn't even make any sense. Nonetheless, the game is running, so look at things on the bright side, guys. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. We're about to end the video right now. I'm just going to go into town real quick, just walk around town and see if we can maintain over 40 FPS. That'd be interesting. It seems like we can't even in town, so 640 by 480, definitely the way to go. I even have room on my GPU all of a sudden. That doesn't make any sense. What is going on here? If that room should be getting... Oh, but my CPU is a bottleneck now. It's a very weird touch and go thing. The CPU is now a bottleneck for me. So we went from having a clear GPU bottleneck to now a CPU bottleneck 640 by 480. I still don't get how it's that much different from 800 by 450. Not for that kind of extreme frame rate change. It just seems insane, but this is my time at Portia, guys. I'll see you guys next time.